How to connect Printful to Squarespace website. Hello, hope you are doing good. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to create a print-on-demand website on Squarespace. The first thing you'll need to do is go onto squarespace.com. Once on the website, as you can see right here, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see Get Started. After you have tapped on Get Started, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, right where you see What's Your Site About, you can choose any one of these options. For this example, I'll select Fashion. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on Next. After you have done that, what are your top goals? And you can select your top goals right here. For this example, I want to sell products, so I'm going to tap right there. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to tap on Next. After tapping on Next, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can choose whichever one of these options. Choose the stage that you're currently in. So let's say, for example, I'm collecting inspiration. Then tap on Next. Then how would you like to get started? And this will help us find you some starting ideas and examples. So you can choose whether you would like a professionally designed website template or you would like to build a custom template with Squarespace Blueprint. For this example, I'm going to choose a professionally designed website template. Then I'm going to tap on Finish. After you have tapped on Finish, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to choose any one of these templates, any one of the templates that you find attractive. So let's say, for example, I want to use this template. I'll simply tap on it. After doing that, you're going to tap on Continue with Google. Then you can sign up using your Gmail account. So I'll simply tap on my Gmail account right there to sign up. And by the way, when signing up to Squarespace and Printful, I would recommend that you use the same email address to sign up, as it makes it a lot easier during the process of incorporating both platforms. So once you have signed up right here, all you'll need to do now is tap on right where you see site title. You could add your site title right there. So let's say I'll be naming mine Simple Answers. Let me type in Simple Answers real quick. Then tap on Continue. Then after doing that, I'm going to tap on Next. Tap on Next again, then tap on Get Started. And you can see this is my Squarespace website. Now to create or add products from Printful, all you'll need to do is go onto printful.com. Then from there, again, you are going to sign up using the same email address that you did on Squarespace. Once you have signed up, you're going to tap on Let's Go. And once on this page, what I want you to do next, from the left-hand menu option right where you see Stores, you're going to tap right there. After selecting Stores, you'll be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is tap right where you see Choose Platform. Once you have tapped on Choose Platform, you're going to scroll down until you see Squarespace. So you'll scroll down until you see Squarespace real quick, so you can see it right here. Then you're going to tap on Connect. Once you have tapped on Connect, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Connect again. After tapping on Connect, you're going to select Allow. Then you're going to be prompted to sign in, which is why I recommended that you sign up on Squarespace using the same email address. So you're going to tap right where you see Google. Then you'll tap on your email address. Then you'll tap on Connect Store. Once you have connected Printful to Squarespace, what I want you to do is go back into your Squarespace website, as you can see right here. And next, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And right where you see Commerce, you're going to tap right there. After tapping on Commerce, you're going to select Custom Merch. So you're going to tap on Custom Merch. Once you have tapped on custom merch, I want you to tap right where you see connected to Printful. You are going to tap on add product. After tapping on add product, it is going to open up Printful in another tab. Then all you'll need to do now is choose the product that you would like to add your design to. So let's say, for example, you want to add your design to a phone case or so on. You can choose that from the left-hand menu option, and whether you would like to add it to men's or women's clothing, you can select that category. But let's say I want to add it to a cap. All I'll need to do is tap on this cap right here, just for example's sake. Then once on this page, you'll be able to upload your designs by simply going over to the left-hand menu option, tapping on uploads. And by the way, if you're a complete beginner, you can use Canva to create your designs for completely free. All you'll need to do is enter your email address, and that's it. Once you have created your design, but let's say for this example, I'll be using Printful. So I'm going to go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on clip art. And I'm just going to use a basic clip art for this example. So I'll add this clip art right here. Then I'm going to change the color. So let's say I change the color to yellow. So let me do that. After you have added the design, you are going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then you are going to choose your mockup. With Printful, you have two options. You can either choose to create a custom mockup, or you can choose from their basic mockup. For this example, I'll be using the basic mockups. Then you are going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then you are going to edit your product title, and you can also add a description if you want. Once you are finished, you are going to tap on continue, then tap on submit to store. But before submitting it to store, you will need to add your retail price. So you can see the Printful price right there, or you can tap on set revenue, and you can increase it by a certain price, or you can increase it by a certain percentage. So let's say I would like to increase it by 50%. I would simply type in 50 right there. Then you can see right there the retail price would be $8.50. I would need it to be higher than that. The retail price has to be higher than the Printful price. So let's say I will be selling this for $25. So I'm going to simply type in 25 right here. Let me do that real quick. Then tap on apply. Then you are going to tap on submit to store in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see that it is being added to your Squarespace store. So just give it a few seconds to load up. Once it has been added, all you'll need to do now is simply go back into Squarespace, and you'll be able to see the product. What you'll need to do is tap on view in Squarespace. Then you'll be redirected to your product page on Squarespace, as you can see right here. See that it has been added right here. And that's it. And you can also do any editing that you would like to the product page on Squarespace. By simply tapping on the three dots, you can tap on edit. If you would like to preview it, I can tap on preview right there. And you can see how the product page looks. This is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.